permanent identity is either pure spirit or soul. When the soul comes in contact with this material nature, it becomes conditional in three basic ways: goodness, passion, and ignorance. Passion, go get ignorance. Because of these three modes, we do all kinds of different activities.
I am goodness. Because of my nature, people become noble. All poets, gurus, philosophers, monks achieve their status because of me. Because of me, I will bring happiness to others around you. But be careful, for I may tie you down with material benefits.
Hi everyone, I'm Passion. You know me, I'm famous. Under my influence, the soul experiences unlimited desires and is never satisfied. I'll have you working to achieve your many list of desires and stuff like career, popularity, stuff. You would be thinking you want a new house, a new car. Oh, you want a new pool? You gotta get ahead and you gotta get ahead. Oh, I gotta go now. Remember, time is money.
I've been standing for 5 minutes. That's more like it. Now, let me tell you what I think about life. Ignorance is bliss. Think about all the things you want to do in life, and don't bother doing any of it. You're just gonna make yourself really tired. You're just gonna work harder and harder and get really frustrated. Under my influence, the soul could lose himself. He sleeps, he dreams. Anyways, I've been talking for so long now. I think it's time to sleep.
Ignorance, get up and go stand over there. Now let's see how an unsuspected soul gets influenced by these three modes of nature.
Namaste, spirit soul.
Namaste.
Here, let's go for a walk in the countryside. I brought us a healthy picnic lunch. Here, try this fresh spring water.
So pure.
Now try this fresh organic fruit.
Wow, it's so delicious.
You're welcome.
Isn't it so nice out here? The blue sky, rolling hills. I could just stay here forever.
Here, let's meditate.
Wake up, spirit soul. Go and make the bucks, Chuck. If you make some money and be a big star, you can get a private airplane. You'll be rich. You'll be at the top. Time is money and money is power. You want to quit, you can't retire. All you can do is acquire.
You work too hard. How can you enjoy with all that stress? Here, I got you something. You should really quit your job. You know you hate it. Could you imagine doing that for 20 years? You should sit down and think about it. Actually, don't even think about it. Just leave. With me, you'll never have to work again.
Spirit soul, come here, now. Spirit soul, in order to live a life in happiness, one must live in harmony with nature. You will gain no enlightenment with passion or ignorance. Here, take this book. This book will tell you all the tips and tricks to avoid of passion and ignorance.
Wow, this has everything in here about all these three modes. Here, Krishna says himself, O son of Bharata, the mode of goodness conditions one to happiness. The mode of passion conditions one to fruitive actions. And the mode of ignorance, covering one knowledge, binds one to madness. I've definitely experienced that before.
Hey,
Oh, mode of goodness, how do I get closer to Krishna?
By chanting the holy Maha mantra, of course.
Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,